let's change those lights around and do this again. Mary Jo, take 5.
Hi, I'm Mary Jo. Does this look interesting to you? If you have ever thought about a career in communications, then sit back now and enjoy as we show you the sights and sounds of Ferris Television. For the television production student at Ferris, it all begins here with hands-on experience. Everything Ferris puts on the air is written, produced, and directed by the students, and for a good reason. If Ferris students want to be in television, they have to learn to be creative and work as a team. Our department houses a $250,000 teleproduction complex, which includes full studio facilities and remote equipment, all for student use. The freshman and sophomore year at Ferris is filled with the fundamentals of video production. The students learn the basics, such as lighting, audio production, set design, and graphics. Along with the basics, there is also computer graphics, the newest course added to the television curriculum. By using a computer and sophisticated paint box programs, you are able to manipulate 32,000 different colors into your own drawings or something you shot on a camera and use them for traditional applications such as graphic information or to create computerized images for your video productions. In the multi-image production class, you learn to program a computer to change and create effects using over 200 slides. These shows are projected onto 3 screens using 9 projectors. When you add music and sound effects, the outcome is a dazzling display of audio and still pictures, designed to capture an audience's attention and appeal to their emotions. Ever dream of being a Spielberg or Lucas? The cinematography course allows you to live out that dream, but you also realize just how tough it can be. This course recognizes that film is an important medium in our society. You will learn the basic film production techniques in the first of 2 films which you must produce. The second film is a fully scripted 3-minute color feature film with lip sync, music, and sound effects. All of these productions require many hours of work and are excellent ways for students to show off their creativity through different techniques. During their junior year, the students learn various production and technical skills, building to the point when each student must produce and direct 2 half-hour studio talk shows at the end of the year, which are broadcast live over the local cable station. Besides producing studio programs, additional production experience is available to students on a voluntary basis. A student may participate, if they wish, in a multi-camera production of a live sporting event. Every home football and hockey game is videotaped for broadcast on a local and national cable system. It's all hands-on experience with state-of-the-art equipment. The senior year for a Ferris TVP student starts out fast and furious when the 18-member class must work together to produce a half-hour magazine format show every week called Dimensions. Each student must produce 1 whole show and 2 segments within the show, along with helping out their classmates on various crew positions. After putting in over 200 hours of hands-on practical television and media production in just 10 weeks, it is time for the senior TVP students to go on a required 6-month, 40 hours a week internship. This internship gives students the work experience of non-commercial TV, whether it be in cable television, corporate television, or at a production house. If you are interested in this rewarding career, then consider the Ferris State University Television Production Program. For Dimensions, I'm Mary Jo.
Perfect. That's a keeper.